Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and sometimes an event that you least expect to be good turns out to be your trade of the week. Let me show you. So for quite a few years, I've been watching pending home sales fail to make us any money. Well, that's not the way it was this week. We put the trade on because we looked at the last three recordings of the pending home sales. We were trading gold, the price shot up, the news came out, and it was very bad news, which tends to push gold to the upside. We had to be a little bit patient. As the price chopped around, it almost hit our target immediately, and then it just chopped around for about 10 or 15 seconds. But when all was said and done, you're going to see that green candle pushing up, and it's going to go up and hit our first target, which I combined with my second target. There it is, trades over for a decent little profit. Now, what was interesting is on the right chart, we were testing a completely different setup, a reversal setup that also worked with pending homes. Now, that was a test. The real trade, I traded with real money. That was on the left side. We had a real profit. On the right side, we were testing our reversal trade. It filled the trade to the short side, and then watch, the price is going to burst down right there, easily hit our targets, and went even further to make money as a trap trade. So what's interesting, pending homes is the trade of the week because both setups we were using made money. The breakout was a real money maker, profit over $130 in a couple of seconds, and then the trap trade would have easily been about $150, $180, trading it as a reversal trade. So we'll give pending homes our kudos for the trade of the week this week, and you got to come into the trade room so you can learn to trade the way that we do. I'll see you soon. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades.